Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Please click the like, comment, subscribe and click on the bell notification button to get notified anytime we post a new video. Edaro Abagana is an annual cultural festival of the Abagana people in Njikoka local government of Anambra State, celebrated during the harvest of cocoyam. It is held at the Afo Market Square every December, precisely on the last Afo Market day of the year. Abagana women believes that if sowing and harvesting of yam, which is reserved for the male, are celebrated, sowing and harvesting of cocoyam, which is reserved for the female, should also be celebrated. Getting ready for successful Edaro festival demands a lot. The chief priest of Aro deity offers sacrifice for the protection of the Aro people all through the period of the cultural festival. He appeals to the gods to give him good health and ability to perform his cultural duties well. Prior to take off the 2 days cultural festival, the Edaro masquerade visits the chief priest of Aro deity in the night between 12 to 3 a.m. to ascertain if the deity has permitted them to go ahead with the cultural festival.
However, some masquerade performs in the daytime at the market square just as others worship the gods at Aro Shrine. Masquerades from communities of Abagana performs a 2 days flogging contest. During the cultural festival, people from the neighboring towns come around in their masses to this festival.
Edaro is a period to show manly strength and display their ability to absorb pain and yet overcome struggle of life. The 9 villages that makes up Abagana comes out with masquerade who compete against each other in a well-organized skin flogging contest for 2 days. On the first day of the Edaro, the competition takes place at the popular Omenka Square, while the second day of the contest, which is usually bigger, is hosted at Aro Square. The cane flogging contest typically commences by 12 noon and the winning masquerade go home with diverse gifts ranging from cash to cow or rams. Meanwhile, youths from the 9 villages who may not be wearing masquerade costumes are competed among themselves. On the evening of the second day of Edaro festival, the entire community is shut down as both the old and the young troop to Aro Square to witness the rametas of masquerade and other Igbo cultural activities.